Observe World Day of Justice on 20th February every year. I am going to discuss about social justice and theme of 2021. I am thankful to Dr. Shankar Chatterjee, former professor of NIRD, for providing the script of this video. Justice to all is sine qua non, as this world is meant for all irrespective of language, caste, creed, religion, gender, etc. In history, we read caste issues in India, white versus black issues in some countries in the West, which no one accepts in the present world. And that is why social justice is popular now. According to the United Nations, social justice may be broadly understood as the fair and compassionate distribution of the fruits of economic growth. On the other hand, the National Association of Social Workers has defined social justice is the view that everyone deserves equal economic, political, and social rights and opportunities. Social workers aim to open the doors of access and opportunity for everyone, particularly those in the greatest need. While formal definitions for social justice vary in wording, there are commonalities among them. These are equal rights, equal opportunity, and equal treatment. The United Nations General Assembly has decided to observe 20th February every year, the World Day of Social Justice, and it was started from 2009. The International Labour Organization unanimously adopted the ILO Declaration on Social Justice for a Fair Globalization on 10th June 2008. This is the third major statement of principles and policies adopted by the International Labour Conference since the ILO's Constitution of 1919. Fruits of economic benefit should reach all, but unfortunately, because of COVID-19, many lives were not only lost, but individually many persons, families, petty traders, self-employed, casual workers, and others have awfully suffered. Industries like tourism, hotel, films, etc. are also the worst sufferer. According to IFPRI report, 140 million people scaled down to extreme poverty in low and middle income countries. According to the World Bank, extreme poverty has been defined as earning a person less than $1.90 per day. The World Bank has collected information on basic needs from the 15 poorest countries, and then they have made average, and thus $1.90 has been calculated. The theme of World Day of Social Justice for 2021 is a call for social justice in the digital economy. Because of COVID-19, the digital economy is transforming the world of work mainly from the last 2 decades. Expansion in broadband connectivity, cloud computing, and data have led to scaling up of digital platforms which have infiltrated several sectors of the economy. Also, because of the consequences of the COVID-19 pandemic, many businesses activities have turned to digital economy. While digital labor platforms provide workers with income, generating opportunities and benefits from flexible work arrangements, including for women, persons with disabilities, young people, and migrant workers. They also present some challenges. For workers, these relate to the regularity of work and income, their rights to fair working conditions, social protection, and adequate standard of living, skills utilization, and the right to form or join trade unions. For traditional businesses, the challenges include unfair competition from platforms, some of which are not subject to conventional taxation and other obligations because of their novel nature, including with respect to their workforce. Another challenge for traditional businesses is the amount of funding required to continuously adapt to digital transformations, especially for small and medium enterprises, and inadequate availability of reliable digital infrastructure in the global south. Algorithmic monitoring practices, in some cases augmenting to workplace surveillance, are also a growing concern. Consequences of the COVID-19 pandemic are exposing the risks and inequalities of workers engaged in location-based platforms. The regulatory responses from many countries have started to address some of the issues related to working conditions on digital labor platforms. However, there is a need for international policy dialogue and coordination since digital labor platforms operate across multiple jurisdictions. This year's commemoration supports efforts by the international community to search for solutions to achieve sustainable development, poverty eradication, the promotion of full employment and decent work, universal social protection, gender equality, and access to social well-being and justice for all. Please like and share the video with your friends and family and subscribe. Thank you.